In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit download speed in Steam. If you've ever had Steam updates or game downloads hog your internet and slow everything else to a crawl, setting a download cap is a quick, effective fix. You'll keep your games updating in the background while leaving room for video calls, streaming, or other online tasks to run smoothly. With Steam open, start by moving your mouse to the top left and hovering over the library menu. From that menu, select Downloads. This takes you to Steam's dedicated Downloads page, where you can see current activity and manage a few helpful controls. If you don't see any downloads right now, that's fine. The limit you set here will apply whenever Steam downloads in the future. On the Downloads page, look to the top right and click the small gear icon. That opens the related settings panel for this page. Think of it as a quick access area focused specifically on how Steam handles download behavior, so you don't have to dig through all the general settings just to set a simple limit. Now enable the option to limit download speed and enter the speed you want in kilobits per second. A quick note on units. Many internet plans are advertised in megabits per second, and there are 1,000 kilobits in a megabit. So for example, if your connection is 50 megabits per second, that's about 50,000 kilobits per second. If you want Steam to use roughly half of that, you could set a limit around 25,000 kilobits per second. Another helpful conversion? Some apps show speeds in megabytes per second, and there are 8 bits in a byte, so 1 megabyte per second is roughly 8,000 kilobits per second. Use these numbers as a guide to pick a cap that fits your household's needs. After you toggle the limit on and set your preferred number, Steam applies it immediately. There's nothing else you need to confirm. If downloads feel too slow later, simply return to the same place, adjust the number upward, or turn the limit off to let Steam use your full bandwidth again. Just keep in mind that setting the cap extremely low may cause larger updates to take a long time, so choose a value that balances stability with speed. And that's all there is to it. By setting a download limit from the library's downloads page, using the gear icon, and entering a cap in kilobits per second, you've put Steam on a bandwidth budget that respects the rest of your internet use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy smoother browsing while your games update in the background.